Let's say, for example, you have an idea, and the first thing that will come to your mind once you start it is probably to make a website. And if you don't know how to make a website, you probably will have to contact someone to make it for you, even if it's just a simple blog. If you literally have no idea, like still in 2018, many people have no idea how to make a website or how to make a simple blog, like, where people start writing stuff and sharing content. So let's say, for example, you want to spread your idea with the world, your knowledge or whatever it is. So what you do if you don't know how to do it, if you don't have no idea how to set up a blog, even if it's just a simple WordPress, you basically contact someone. Okay, and if you want to contact someone, unless you have friends that can do that for you, you will have to pay for someone to do it. And generally speaking, especially here in Australia, it could be very expensive. Very, very expensive. And that's why I say ignorance is the highest cost. Because you will need to contact someone and pay someone to do something very simple for you. And in most cases, those people will charge you a lot of money. So I live here in Brisbane, and I have experience like I've asked many quotes for, just to have an idea of, to compare my own prices to other companies. And what I've seen is that like people ask for a ridiculous amount of money just to make very simple things. Okay, making a website like a simple WordPress blog where you just want to share your ideas, your thoughts, literally costs no money. No money, zero. It's free. Well, the only thing you should pay would be like the hosting company. So the hosting company will charge you a monthly fee just to store your website. That's all you need to do. Imagine like it's just like a Dropbox where you save your files. So a server, a hosting company just offers you the same thing, just some storage where you can place your website, you can store your website in there, and it's like so cheap. It's like probably $3 to $4 a month, something like that. That's all you have to pay if you want to have a website. Okay, so ignorance is the highest cost you run into if you want to set up your business. Okay, once you ask people to give you a hand, even if you decide to pay someone, just make sure you don't get like ridiculous quotes. But my recommendation is, if you just want to start your own business, just learn from other people. There is like a bunch, like huge information on YouTube. People like willing to give you all the information you need to do it yourself. Like, this is something that I would love to do in the future. This is my first video, honestly, on YouTube. But I have ideas to just share my knowledge, what I've learned. And the reason why I've learned it to make websites, it's because at the time I couldn't afford to pay someone to make it for me. And at the time it was just one website. I literally could afford it. But I preferred to learn it for myself. And that began to be my own business. It just began from my room, from my bedroom, honestly. Okay? I just started learning online. Like, I was willing to learn. I was literally willing to learn. That's the secret of success, in my opinion, is willing to learn something rather than asking everybody, rather than being like willing of paying every time. If you're smart, if you want to get smart, just learn at least the basic. Even if you don't know everything, because you can't know everything, but once you go out there and search for quotes, if you know something, at least something, just the basics, you will have at least the questions to ask. Okay? Let's say you get to an agency and you ask for, hey, I need a website. Those people will tell you, it's better if you do this, if much better for you if you do that. You have no power in deciding if what's best for you or not. Okay, so you have no power in choosing. You just have to accept what they tell you. If they tell you you should spend 15 grand for a website because of this, because of that. If you don't have the knowledge You will have to accept it or just give up with your idea. You have no choice. But if you learn at least the basics, if you go there to the agency and say, no, listen, I just need a simple blog. I just want to start small. I just want to have a front page. I want to show what I do on the front page. And the second page will be just my blog, just my post where I can log in, I can write my stuff whenever I want. I don't need you to do that for me, so I don't have any extra charge. I've seen something like ridiculous from companies here in Brisbane, like people charging for maintenance, monthly maintenance. What does it mean? So WordPress again, because WordPress is what I use all the time. It's one of the best platforms ever. Has the capability of updating itself. You don't need anyone to be there on top of everything. It just does everything. Okay, so just be smart. Okay, learn as much as you can, so you will be ready.